it's a great achievement. I think over the years, that's something we've always looked to do, play ODI cricket, play 50-over cricket. And I mean, finally getting there, it's taken years of hard work. But yeah, really, really happy that we've reached here now. Actually, the journey started in 2009 when the women's cricket team actually played the first international tournament. I didn't play back then, like I was like, what, 8, 9 years old. But yeah, I mean, back then, that's when it started. That's when people actually had the dream of representing the country as a women's team. That's where it all started from. And here in 2025, I think making it to, I mean, getting the ODI status now, I mean, it's a great journey. Those past years, I mean, all the efforts put in by all the players over the years, that's what got in this result here today now. Definitely, I think the recent tournament that we had, the 50-over championship, the women's 50-over championship, that showed that we're ready for 50-over cricket first of all. And the pool that we have, I mean, there are girls who are, I mean, quite a few new names that I saw, but I mean, the talent they show that UAE women's cricket, I mean, there is so much more than just the girls that are coming to camp. If you see around, so many girls playing the sport and playing it well. It's not just that they've just come there just to enjoy the game. They actually prove that they're good enough to even, like, maybe in a few years represent the national team and hopefully at ODI cricket as well. So it's good to see the amount of talent we have in the country, and yeah, just hoping that we keep on getting better and better as a team. It's definitely enjoyable, but one thing is, most of us, we've grown up here. So we call UAE our home. Even if we come from different backgrounds, UAE is our home. We play for UAE as our country. We call it our country. And yeah, just all of us coming together. I mean, playing with people from different places, you understand how they've grown up, how they've learned the sport as well, what inspired them to play the game as well. And yeah, when we all come together, it's just about enjoying it together and just enjoying every moment you share on the field. I think everyone at the Emirates Cricket Board, I mean, giving us so many opportunities to play so many games. That's been like a great boost for us. We've gotten to play so many more T20 internationals and international games. And we've gotten to play against better sides as well. And yeah, a big shout out to our coach as well. I mean, he's always pushed us to do better. And last few years, I mean, we've proved that we can be a force to reckon with top teams as well. So I mean, he's always pushed us to get the better out of us, and the teams eventually slow and steady reaching there. So yeah, I have played domestic cricket in Mumbai as well. I have played the 50-over format a bit. And I mean, we've played 40-over games with boys here as well, academy games. So the team isn't all that new to the format. We have played the women's championship, 50-over championship as well. So I mean, they all have gotten a taste of 50-over cricket as well. It is obviously much more different than T20 cricket. I mean, you're on the field for way longer. It will test our fitness, it will test our skills more. But I think our team is ready for it. We've been putting in the hard yards, and I think it's just about now going out and implementing it. And I think, yeah, we're definitely ready for that. I think just look out for the UAE women's team. If you want to be there, you want to be representing your country as well. I mean, just come out, start playing cricket. This is the right time to play cricket, as I've always said. And I mean, now is the best time. We're going to get much more match time than we've gotten before. T20s plus one-day internationals. That means we get much more exposure, much more international games. And yeah, just pick up a bat and ball, start playing the game, and hopefully see you here soon.